So all you have to do is create your account on this page here. Go ahead and copy this ad like this, paste it in this box right here, and you could start making commissions just like this. What's going on? My name's Garrett, and in this video, I'm gonna reveal the 3 simple steps to profit with this new affiliate system. Now, these simple steps can work worldwide. Doesn't matter if you have no previous experience, no following online. As you follow me throughout this entire video, especially towards the end as well, where I get into these specific traffic strategies to promote this funnel and system so you can start generating these commissions, you're going to be able to apply this as soon as today. Now, step number 1 is get access to the affiliate marketing system that we've been using. You want to click the link directly below this video, and that will give you access to the page to actually create your account. Now, when you click the link directly below this video, ultimately it will take you to this page here, and you want to scroll down and you want to look for the big yellow button that says start here. You want to click that right there, and then you want to create your account. Now, at the time of recording this video, this system is actually free to use. Just create your account by entering your first name, last name, put in your goal. So you can say something like make sales, agree to send a testimonial when you actually hit that goal, enter your email right there to actually create an account, and then create a password that you'll use to log in, access your affiliate link, and much more. And then just click I'm not a robot and create your account. Now, once you're inside your account, you're gonna first get taken to this page here. Now, I wanna walk you through step by simple step, because step number 2 right here is to set up and add your affiliate links with the specific high-paying programs. So if I go back to this page here, there's actually 7 different income streams. You can see right here, income stream number 1, number 2, number 3, all the way down to 7 income streams. Next step is to set up your specific affiliate links inside of this system. Now you can see right here, Garrett B20, that's my personal affiliate ID that I've added into my system, okay? And again, you're gonna wanna do the same thing. Now, I recommend you go step by step so you get this done in a very easy and organized way. Now, step 1 for the first income stream is to just click this button here, and this will take you to the page to actually sign up. Now, for this specific income stream, all you have to do is put in your name and email here, and then just click reserve my position, and then you'll get taken to this page here. And you just want to click get started today, and you can either do the monthly or the yearly option. Now, I want to say that in order for you to qualify for commissions on the different income streams, you do have to be a paying member. But keep in mind that most of these are either a one-time payment or it's a very low monthly fee. And the other benefit of actually doing this is, of course, the commissions you can make, but also these are very valuable products when it comes to marketing online. So for example, the very first income stream that you will be able to earn on, but also you can use this service, it's a cloud backup service. So if you have large files or photos or videos, you'll be able to store those inside of this service, okay? So again, you just wanna do that, and I recommend watching these tutorials, okay? So they have this button here, okay? These are tutorial videos on exactly how to set up the income stream. Once you become a member, you want to get your affiliate ID. So you can just click that there, watch David, the creator of this system, break down how to actually create your account and everything. And then again, you'll get your affiliate ID, put it in there, and then just click save. So now your affiliate ID for the first income stream is inside of this system. And you just want to continue through. You know, income stream number 2 is SendShark. This is an email autoresponder service. So if you've ever wanted to use an email autoresponder to follow up with your leads and convert them on autopilot, this is a very good service. So again, you can just click here to activate, and then once you do, put your affiliate ID and save. You could also, of course, watch the tutorial. And you just want to go through, I'm not going to explain all 7. You know, you can go through this yourself, but all of these are very valuable and very profitable. Now, a couple questions. Number 1 is, do you have to activate all of these income streams to start making money and promoting this? You do not, okay? Just upgrade in the different income streams that you can afford at this time. Start promoting, start making money, and then invest into the other ones as you go. Another thing is, do you want to promote these separately, right? Do you want to promote these different affiliate programs separately, or should you just promote one link? And you just want to promote one link. So once you hook all that up, if you go to the very top, where it says your affiliate link to promote, this right here is the one link that you always want to be sending people to, okay? You want to be sending as many people to this as possible, and this will actually send people to this page here, okay? Because once they go to this page and they create an account, now they're going to go through the same process that you're going to go through, and when people purchase these affiliate programs under you, you will earn commissions. So again, you always just want to send people to this one link. Now, step number 2, inside the actual system, we have these steps here, okay? These are like overarching general steps, but there are a few more steps to set up the system. So step number 2 to set up the system is the autoresponder setup. So just click this tab here. And you want to actually choose the autoresponder. Now, if you already have an autoresponder that you're using, like GetResponse or System.io, you can choose that one. But income stream number 2 inside this program is an email autoresponder. So to use the one that they recommend inside the program, inside the system, is SendShark. So you just click there, and then these are the instructions to set up and hook up your email autoresponder into this system. So when people sign up under you, they will start getting followed up with, okay? When people put in their name and email here, they will start getting automatic emails based on the autoresponder that you hook up. So again, just follow these very simple steps right there. Again, there's a video explaining more, okay, if you need to watch that. And then just click update once you add the API key, okay? Now, that is the setup, okay? Very simple. If you're not technical or if you've never done anything like this before, it may take you a little bit of time. Go through step by step, take advantage of the tutorial videos and things like that, and you're gonna be able to set this up, okay? Now, once you set it up, all you have to do is step number 3, okay, which is flood your funnel link with both free and instant traffic, okay? So the last step is once you've integrated, again, we want to go to this first tab here, we want to copy this link, and now we want to promote and get as many people to click this link as possible, because the more people will click that link, fill out the account information, sign up under you, start signing up for these income streams, and you'll start receiving commissions, okay, if you follow these steps. Now, how do you get traffic? How do you get clicks? Well, the great thing about this is if you go into your back office and you go to this last tab right here, okay, it will actually give you traffic training. Okay, so David will actually walk you through how to get traffic. So this first video right here is mostly about YouTube free traffic, how to create simple videos. Okay, these are some keywords you can actually target on your videos. This video is all about how to use My Lead Gen Secret, okay, which is actually one of the income streams. So when you sign up on one of the income streams, you will get access to something called My Lead Gen Secret, and that's what I shared in the beginning of the video. This is a tool that gives you 100 new leads into your account every single day. And all you have to do is click mailing system, select the leads, okay, that were added, okay, and over time, you're gonna get a lot of leads. You can see right here, 21,000 leads, okay? You just wanna add them here, and then you just want to, for the subject, go to here, and then just copy this. This is the subject inside of My Lead Gen Secret you're gonna send. Then go here, and for the body, you just want to copy this body email right there, and then paste it in like this. And it will already add your affiliate link into the email. And then you just click perfect timing if you want. I recommend that. It will send the perfect timing based on the different leads when they open emails. And then you go to the bottom right and there's a button that says send email, and you just click send, okay? And it loads, and in a matter of a couple of seconds, it will actually send this email out to everyone. Okay, you can see right here, your message has been queued. So this will send, and you can do this once per day, right? You can also use solo ads. You can also promote on a Facebook profile, okay? So, I promote on my Facebook profile as well, and I will add my affiliate link right here, and people will go there and start to buy. This is how simple it is. These are the 3 steps, okay? Again, it's free at the time of recording to actually create an account with the system. Go to the link directly below, follow the steps, sign up, set up the income stream step by step, and then start getting traffic to your system. This is incredible, my friend. If you have any questions, comment them below. Subscribe, as I'm going to be going even deeper. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next training.